Over the past 6 years, PDO has made significant progress on its ICV journey to boost local manufacturing, with 57 realized manufacturing opportunities with an actual awarded contract value of $1.6 billion, $400 million of which were invested in local manufacturing opportunities.
By investing $400 million, we have positively impacted the SMEs, created nationwide employment opportunities, and developed a more efficient and safe logistics operations. Moreover, this year with COVID-19 health and economic impacts, as well as the supply chain challenges, our ICV program maximized the inspections and repair of used materials, and even extended beyond the oil and gas sector to reach the utilities and health sectors by manufacturing sanitizers and face masks.
PDO ensures the sustainability and growth of ICV-supported manufacturing by providing business opportunities, working closely to meet international standards, and enabling these manufacturers to compete globally.
Our nationwide initiatives have led to the creation of more than 2,700 direct jobs in the manufacturing sector and contributed directly towards the technical upskilling of Oman expertise. The project has supported the establishment of more than 200 locally registered companies and many more suppliers, which has created more than 1,600 indirect jobs through the supply chain development opportunities. This is a huge impact indeed.
PDO's ICV journey focuses greatly on knowledge transfer and encourages cooperation between companies and local and international universities to strengthen research and development capabilities. PDO is currently taking this success further with its cross-sector study in collaboration with the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Investment Promotion to boost manufacturing beyond the oil and gas sector. PDO, proud to serve Oman.